Hello friends, I have some questions for you. Are you drawing data? Feeling lost in a sea of species? You are not alone. You are not alone. But what if you could turn that data into powerful weapon? Welcome to the world of business intelligence. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock the true potential of your data and make smarter and faster decisions. So, without any delay, let's dive into the video.
The world is experiencing its biggest evolution thanks to big data and the advantages it has created. At a time when data is revolutionizing every business operation, many organizations are embracing diverse concepts to devise effective strategies and use technologies to streamline decision making. As a result, business intelligence has emerged as a handy solution. Business intelligence refers to technologies, applications, and practices for collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. It combines data gathering, data storage, and knowledge management with data analysis to convert complex data into actionable insights. Some of the techniques involved in business intelligence are data mining, descriptive analytics, reporting, querying, data visualization, benchmarking, data preparation, statistical analysis, etc. By implying these techniques in a business environment, companies get to achieve their goal in an effective way. Business intelligence can be used to predict business demand with the existing data. It helps in the optimization of production, research, marketing and finance, and distribution by leveraging effective decision-making tools. BI tools can identify inefficiencies in a product, making process supply chain bottlenecks and unbalanced IT networks and rectifying them.
So, there you have it. Business intelligence isn't just about numbers. It's about how you empower your employees, making smarter decisions and achieving your business goals in best way possible. Are you now ready to unleash the power of your data? Let us know, and thanks for watching. And wait, for those who didn't understood my content, please go and research in other medias and other source and platforms and get to learn. And if you can't do from there, I don't care. Big thumbs up to everyone. See you.